Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Click on that subscribe button and get ready because today we'll be making Freekeh. First we'll start off with about a tablespoon of butter and about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we'll saute a half of a large onion that was diced until about translucent. Now we'll add our chicken drumsticks. We'll cover this for about 10 minutes to help get the juices from the chicken. Now we'll remove the chicken, set it aside until towards the end. These chickens are more or less cooked. We'll season them lightly with some cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, place them in a Pyrex, and bake them or broil them for a few minutes just to get them fully cooked through and a little bit of color. Now all those juices inside the pot will bring a lot of flavor to your Freekeh. On the side, I had 1.5 cups of Freekeh and 1/2 cup of short grain rice, thoroughly washed and soaked for about 5 minutes, drained, and now we'll add it to our pot. If you've been enjoying these quick and easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Now let's add some more flavor. We have 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of chicken broth powder, Now we'll add 4 cups of boiled water. Let's add 1 bay leaf and 3 whole pieces of cardamom. Now that it's starting to simmer, we're going to stir this, cover it, and keep it on a low fire to simmer for about 20 minutes. Let it sit for 10 minutes. And then enjoy. Some people like this next to yogurt, others like it next to salad. What do you eat it with? If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another recipe.